Greetings and salutations and welcome to another Inventor video. In today's video we're going to be making a Santa hat in CAD. Why? Because we can. Here's one I did last year. If I just drag the end part all the way back, it does have Autodesk all over it in festive font and the Autodesk A, but other than that we just zoom it all the way back to here. You've just got a standard hat. Now I'll go back to the one I made minutes ago just to practice. Got one here, it's not been coloured but you get the picture. So let's get to it. So let's grab ourselves a new part. This is part 2. Preloaded. Right, so we're going to start a sketch. Grab a sketch. We're going to grab a circle and we'll make it 100. Sizing is less of a concern here. Finish sketch and we're just going to extrude up, oh I don't know, 25. 20. That looks better for the brim of a hat. And we're going to start another sketch on, let's go YZ. You can choose YZ as long as it's not the flat side of the cylinder, it's fine. We just go grab an arc and just from the top of the middle, drag it out, and depending on how long you want that, how big you want your hat to be, you can drag it out as far as you want. And that looks good enough for me. And click finish. And what we can now do, actually before we do that, is we actually need to start grabbing a 2D sketch on the flat surface and just project the geometry. That gives us a quick and easy circle, nothing much to it. And then we need to go to a sweep, and you see it's already detected the profile. We just select the path. All we see here is just go drag it along, but we can use another feature. We used twist last time for a candy cane. This time we can taper it inwards. So if we say -10, it drags it in. -20, and you get a nice point on it. And you can then just click OK. Well, there you go. That's that part finished. Next job is to actually put a fluffy ball on the end of it. So to do that, we're just going to grab a point and go drop a plane on there. There we go. Okay, now before we do any section on this plane, a bit of customization. We're going to drop a plane on top of it. Now we're going to drop it at, oh, I don't know, 25. You'll see why in a minute, because we're going to, when we shell it, it will go out so it will look better. And then we're going to start a 2D sketch. Excuse me. Right, and we're then just going to do 25. You know we're not. We're going to go 12.5. That looks better size. And we're going to set that to be a construction line. And we're just going to go back on itself. 25. Perfect. Click OK. Let's go click arc. Arc each end. 12.5. So click OK, and then you can just select the midline and just set it to be a center line. Finish. Click the revolve. Click OK. I think that's going to be considerably too far out, so we can adjust it, and I'm going to make that 15. Click OK. No, we'll make it even further. We'll knock it in. There you go, so it's almost touching. Now, the main issue we have with our hat now, that we need somewhere to put our head in there, so we're going to click shell. Going to select it, and we're going to go from the outside. Still want to remove that bottom face, and we're going to make it 5mm thick. Click. Click OK. Oops. And we're going to click shell. Click OK. And there we go. We have a nice, thick, woolly hat. Now, if we now then just click on the fillet command, we're then going to go down to full round fillet. And we're going to select the side, the centre face, and the inner. Gives us a nice rounded edge. We then go back onto the standard fillet, and we're going to make cancel fillet where it actually detects it. 1 extra 2mm, and we're going to make that let's have a play around. 10, yeah, 10 looks to be fine. There we go, we've got most of the parts of the hat. Now you can move this in, you can adjust it as you need. Just do it before you actually show it, because it doesn't bode well and play well later on. Let's grab work play 1 and exit. Oh well. Right, now I just need to give it a bit of colour. So we're going to go into the appearances. Let's go with some red. I'm just going to go with a smooth red, but you can go whatever colour you want. And I'm just going to go with the same smooth white when it comes up. So we can now then just cross that, and we can just select smooth red. Actually, now I can be pretty much lazier. Just make it all white. Let's select that as smooth red, and select the inner smooth red. And what we've now got is very nice Santa hat. Easy as that. With a bit of tinkering around, you can adjust it, do what you like with it, have fun. Right, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.